There's just something about flowers sticking out of a paper grocery sack. I will just gotta say that. I just got done at a coffee shop called Flower Kitchen in Franklin, and I'd been wanting to visit for a little bit. It just opened not too long ago, and it is so cute. I love the vibe. It's very like serene and easy to work in. I was there for like 3.5 hours. I basically finished up work there, so that was really nice. And they're making flower arrangements in real time, so there's a whole, you basically can watch them make flower arrangements while you're there. And so that's really pretty, and it's a nice little environment. So I loved it. The coffee was super good, and you didn't come here for a coffee shop review, but you got one anyway. So I just came back from that. I also wanted to pick up some flowers for my own vase, but I couldn't really afford what they were selling. So I came to Trader Joe's because I had to pick up some bacon anyway. You know, priorities, eucalyptus and bacon. So now I'm about to head home, and I'm gonna put those in a vase and get on with my evening. I just wanted to bring you along with me this week because there's a lot of random fun things happening, and this will probably be a pretty sporadic vlog, but I just wanted to bring you along for some nice little moments in my week, because that kind of helps me transparently keep a really positive outlook on what I'm doing in my life. I've come to film things as a way to appreciate the beauty in the everyday, and so I want to appreciate the beauty in the everyday all week, and this just helps me do that. So I'm just gonna bring you along as I go through my week, and if there's something fun going on, you'll know about it. So anyway, bye. has been real weak lately. This is not good. Just totally poured. I don't know if you can hear me like at all. It just totally poured, like the bottom fell out, and I was gonna go get some coffee at the coffee shop down the road, and then I got there and they were closed because their espresso machine. The cell is like right over there, but it's passing because it's not raining over here anymore. This is my favorite weather right now. I love it. I was gonna go to a coffee shop. They were closed because their espresso machine broke down. So then I made my own coffee, which I have just been so off my coffee game lately. I just used to love how I made it with the mocha pot, and now it's just always bitter. And I don't know what I'm doing different. I'm not doing anything differently. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if I'm leaving it in there too long. Maybe I'm not noticing it, or like what's going on. So I'm gonna stay out here and listen to the rain and the thunder, which is so nice. And then I'm going to drink my subpar coffee